Namaskar. In this video tutorial, we are going to demonstrate the Localization Project Management System, which is designed and developed by CDAC GIST, Pune, India. Now onwards, I will be using the term LPMS to refer to the Localization Project Management System throughout this tutorial. LPMS is a web-based platform for small and medium-scale enterprises, which cannot afford to purchase high-end systems for the day-to-day localization requirements. So let's start using LPMS. Open your favorite browser and visit the website tdil-dc.in. It will open the home page of the website. On this page, on your left hand side, visit Application Showcase from the menu and click on the LPMS link. You will see a page containing the description about Localization Project Management System, which consists of workflow, which includes publishing documents for localization, managing the localization projects, translators and reviewers dashboard, offline translators workbench, and many other features. Following are the modules in LPMS. You can register profile as publisher, project manager, translator, and reviewer. To access the system, click on the provided link. You can also bookmark this URL in your browser. It opens the home page of the Localization Project Management System, which contains 3 different sections. If you want to become a publisher and want to register your profile, kindly use the Need Translation section. If you want to become a volunteer in LPMS, like translator, project manager, or a reviewer, you need to use the Volunteer for LPMS section. If you want to register as a translator, kindly click here. If you want to become a project manager, then click here. So, we are starting the process of registering a profile for a project manager. It will open a registration page for you. To continue to registration, you need to accept the terms and conditions provided. It will open the page for registration. You need to fill provided form for registration. You can also specify your language expertise like English, Hindi, and here I took professional as my language expertise. You need to add the pair. Likewise, you can add different language pairs as per your competency. After filling the form and correcting all the validations, you can register your profile successfully. If you're already a registered user, you need to log in. You need to provide a login credentials on this form. In this demonstration, I'm using WikiAdmin and my password for accessing the modules of the LPMS. You can use your own credentials to continue that. Upon successful login, the dashboard is open for you, which contains different sections like alerts and notifications, recent project managers, recent translator and reviewers, top project managers, and translator reviewers. To start a new project or to track the projects created, you need to go through the Manage Project link. It will open a new page wherein you can create a project by specifying name and description of your project, and clicking on the Create Project link. It will create a project which is displayed here in the screen. If you want to see the details of the particular project, you can do so by using the Project Details link. It will open a pop-up containing the details of the project along with the details of the various volunteers working on particular jobs. You can also track the job progress as per their ongoing status. To add a job to your project, You can use Add Jobs to Project button where you need to specify the job details required for that. For this I will take sample job description. You need to upload a file in portal to continue the localizations. You need to specify the language pairs for which you would like to do the localization. You can also add more languages if you want in the same file to be translated or localized in different language pairs. You can configure a deadline for that also. And finally, you can publish your jobs. The jobs will come under the screen. If you want to see the details of the particular job, you need to click on the job details link in the action column against the job. It will open a new pop-up which is containing the job details. In this you will find different details like workflow identifier, job status, the language pairs of the job. Along with that, you can see the files in translated and reviewed versions and the timelines, and can track the progress of the job through this window. To see your profile which you have registered on the LPMS, you can click on the profile. It will contain different sections wherein you can edit your information and as well as when required. You can also upload your feedback by filling up this form. That is for all. Thank you.